Hey there, today I'll show you how to prepare this delicious bread with honey glaze. Delicious crispy crust and fluffy inside. Let's get started. Combine all the dry ingredients: 300 wheat flour, 300 whole grain wheat flour, 12 salt, 10 extrait de levain. Pour 20 ml lukewarm water into a glass, add 7 of dry yeast and 3 of sugar. Give it a few minutes for the yeast to activate and froth up. Now pour that into a bowl, add 400 ml of water and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything together. Place it in a stand mixer for 7 minutes, set to speed 2. Now shape the dough into a ball that will rise. Fold the edges of the dough towards the center. Place the dough ball in a bowl and let it rise for 5 hours. After that time, the next step is to degass and reshape it into a ball again. Remember to always pinch the bottom of the dough. Place the dough ball in a bowl and let it rise for 5 hours. Now we'll be shaping the final form of the loaf. I'm creating a more elongated shape compared to the previous steps. Transfer the loaf to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Wrap it with a strip of rolled aluminum foil, securing it together. This helps the bread maintain its desired shape during the rising process. Final rise for 60 minutes. For my special honey glaze, mix 1 tc of honey, 1 tc of oil, and 1 tc of water. Brush the entire surface of the bread with the prepared honey glaze. Make 3 strong cuts using a razor blade. Baking time 390 to 50 minutes. The bread comes out aromatic with a beautiful caramelized crust. Did you enjoy this recipe? Subscribe for more baking and cooking inspirations.